Attention drivers! In 2026, the rules of the road have officially changed. If you value your license and your bank account, you cannot afford to miss this. Law number 3 is a total game changer. Welcome back to Dashcam Justice. Today, we're breaking down the brand new 2026 driving regulations. We've analyzed recent dashcam footage to show you exactly how these new AI-powered laws are being enforced in real time. First up, AI-powered distraction cameras. It's no longer just about a cop catching you. New high-definition sensors at intersections are now scanning for mobile phone usage, even at red lights. One text could cost you a $1,000 fine and instant points on your license.